There we are. This is the RV. Oh, this one I've never seen before. Campsite reserve. So let's look at 30 grand, I guess, after a 21,000 discount, I guess. My storage area there you got before. I like it. Bed's nice. TV. I like the kitchen. I like the bathroom's nice. Oh, it's nice. I like it. I likey. Like it very, very much. It's very nice. Common sense here. Nothing overly. The brown is too ugly. Could be a little lighter. Just like at the boat show, you guys saw this ugly brown stuff. It's like, I don't know, whatever. Who am I? Let's go look over here. So can't hear the music over here very much. Look at that thing broke. Got a grill right there. All right. Kind of nice. Open. Over here. This one right here is nice. Easy to get into, a lot lower. You want 30 grand for this, usually 40. It's real small. There's really no... I think the bed probably... That's probably your bed right here. So you sleep right here. No, listen, no. This is... For the price now, you can get some better ones. This is nothing special. No. No. Nothing. I didn't know what to do with it. It's a waste of good suffering. For 30 grand? Nah. No. No, no, no. I don't know how they sell these. I can see them selling these and selling boats. You got microlight flagstaff. This one is 42 grand. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, maybe. Oh, there's my bunk beds, so I could take those out. Yeah, there's storage. Your bathroom's nice, I guess. Where's the bed at? Is that the bed? I don't get it. I don't know. I don't have a basic bed. I guess I'd put the bed. I'd have a bed put there if I got it. Put a bed there. I guess. I don't know if that probably rolls out. Maybe. I guess. Oh, it's a Murphy bed. Oh, okay. I see. That comes down. Okay. Good enough. I understand. All right. I get it. So it goes up. That's fine. I get it. So it comes down. You know. Shamrock. That's nice. That's not bad. Bed right there. Oh, two beds. This is kind of nice. Kind of nice. TV. Nice. But yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, there's a lot more here than it was at the one in St. Paul. At the grill right here. Pull that bad boy out. Oh my god, look at this one. Gray stone, right? Micro white. 40 grand. Not bad. Yeah, I guess it could be a storage area in here, I guess. What the hell, right? Perfect. Some of these layouts are kind of strange, but you see it's over here. Nice bed. Not bad. This one is 35. Not bad, just your basic bed and stuff right here. Not bad. Got that. It's not bad. Pretty easy one to pull. Now these Flagstaff ones are 35 grand for that bad boy.
I saw him, I think about 6 months earlier, and I was like...
Not bad. Oh wow, this one can sleep a lot. You got a bed right there. You got a bed right here. Oh, well, you can sleep a lot of people. You got a big family. Heck yeah. You can have 3 guys go camp in this one. So there's like a kind of a 3 guys going camping together, and they can all have their own bed. Yeah, this is the dude. Take all your buddies. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's Shamrock. 35 grand, not bad. This one is 40, 50 grand. Hideout. Hideout Mini. RV show. Nothing special on that one. Hideout Max. All right, 38 grand. Let's take a look. See, these ones are smart. Whoa. It's a big ass TV. Hell yeah. These ones are smart. They don't have two levels. Get a flat layout for old people like me can walk around. Cruising here. Feels like you're in a submarine. I tell you what, huh? Nice bathroom. Come in from the air. Not bad. I'll take it. Oh my goodness. I'm getting kind of the end here, so I'll do one more maybe. We'll see what happens. So, yeah, the Hideout and the Keystones are pretty popular. This one's 21 grand. I guarantee it's just a small. Yeah, it's just a small one to go camping in. Nothing special. You can kind of see. Nothing over that special. Over here. They got. So we'll go one more to this one. We'll end it here. We'll one more coming your way. I hope you enjoyed it. Having a good March. All right.